Is it possible to undo the deletion of a WhatsApp chat or conversation?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a common dilemma faced by many WhatsApp users. Is it possible to undo the deletion of a WhatsApp chat or conversation? If you've accidentally deleted a chat and are scrambling to restore it, don't panic. We've got you covered.
Can you actually restore deleted WhatsApp conversations?
Before we begin, let's tackle the big question. Is it even possible to restore deleted WhatsApp conversations? The short answer is yes, but it's dependent on certain factors. WhatsApp does provide a way to restore messages, but it requires that you have enabled chat backup in your WhatsApp settings. These backups are typically saved either to your phone's internal storage or to a cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud, depending on your device's operating system.
How does WhatsApp backup work?
WhatsApp automatically creates backups of your chats at 2 a.m. every day. However, you can also manually trigger a backup at any time. If you've enabled backup, your deleted chats can be restored from these saved files. Remember, the backup includes text messages, chat history, and attachments. But, crucially, the backup must have been created before the chat was deleted. If the chat was deleted before the backup was created, I'm afraid the data might be lost forever.
How can you restore deleted WhatsApp chats?
Now, let's get into the details of how you can restore your deleted chats. Please note, the process varies slightly between Android and iOS devices, so make sure to follow the steps for your specific device. For Android, 1. Uninstall and then reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. 2. Open the app and verify your phone number. 3. A prompt will appear asking if you'd like to restore your chat history from Google Drive. Tap Restore. 4. Once the restoration process is finished, tap Next to display your chats. For iOS, 1. Uninstall and then reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. 2. Open the app and verify your phone number. 3. A prompt will appear asking if you'd like to restore your chat history from iCloud. Tap Restore Chat History. 4. Once the restoration process is finished, tap Next to display your chats. Restoring deleted WhatsApp chats is relatively straightforward, provided that you have a backup in place. Unfortunately, if a backup was not created before the chat was deleted, there might not be a way to retrieve those messages. So, going forward, make sure to enable chat backups in your WhatsApp settings. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, technology is there to aid us, and with the right steps, we can often rectify the mistakes we make. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips, and until next time, take care.